Hi and welcome, it's Daniela again with a brand new layout created with the November kits. I used the Cardstock and Embellishment kits, which you can purchase in a package, and I also used the 6 to 8 papers. Well, first of all, I just backed one picture with a black and white paper from the 6 to 8 paper stack, and I wanted to have a simple color scheme on my page this time, so I decided to go for the pretty pink, blue and fawn colored pieces this time, and I started everything by just using two of those cards, which I also cut from the 6 to 8 papers. And then I took a look at the cardstock, and this time we have a nice pattern on the back side. So we have those windows, which you can see on the right hand side. And yeah, I fussy cut a few of those windows, and wanted to build a big cluster by using those here, and I just place them randomly behind the picture and make sure that the colors mix a little bit. So pink is next to blue and fawn and so on, and I spread them all around the picture so that it is one big element in the end. And I think that those shapes are really pretty, and yeah, you can add a lot of dimension by adding those. And yeah, like always, I first of all just put them in place, and then afterwards I adhere them, and that is what I always do, because this way I can arrange everything I want it to be. Well, you see that there are nice contrasts by the black and white paper that I've added behind the picture, and the So Festive card that I also used. And now I just fussy cut one thing from a pattern paper and place it here with foam tape. So I use foam adhesive. This way I add a lot of dimension to my page, and that's a thing I do quite often, and it's so easy. And still yeah, you have a big effect by using those foam adhesives. I chose this embellishment in pink as well, and then I can look for some more embellishments. So we have these great chipboard embellishments this month, and I'm going for this cute little mouse, and then one circle and the word sweet in black and white. This builds a nice contrast again. And yeah, I also want to have those tiny stars here in black and pink, and also one in blue. And I just spread them here all over the windows, and everything is placed on this big cluster. I also add one of those pretty puffy stickers that we get each and every month. I love those a lot. And yeah, I also wanted to take a look at the other embellishments. We have pretty foam stickers again, and we also have ephemera, and we even have a few flowers and branches, and yeah, I really love those. They have like a silver foil on some of them, and I just pick a few of those here and also spread them all over my cluster. Well, now I just need to make sure to add a little journaling, and I just added the date after shooting this video by using a common date stamp. And I also wanted to have some more black and white contrasts. So I took a look at the papers and decided to have the black and white dotted paper here. And this is what my page turned out like in the end. Just added a few black splashes here and there, and I'm really happy about the way this page turned out. Well, I hope you liked my way of using the kit. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.